Looking for a job to launch your career? Browse through scores of jobs from leading businesses that are ready to hire you. Let's get started by browsing opportunities to find a job that you like. Check out the work requirements and make sure your skill set matches what the recruiter needs. Ready to apply? Select the Apply button where you'll be prompted to log in or sign up. This is your chance to sign up and easily apply to tons of jobs on our site. Sign up as a candidate by entering your full name and email address. We'll send you an email with a one-time password, which you will enter along with that email address and log in. Once prompted, change your password to something you'll remember. Congrats! Now you can apply for any job that fits your qualifications and experience.